Alright, so I'm going to show you how to create a calendar table inside your Power BI data model. And this table is very important when you build like a full-fledged table and a sort of a full-fledged model and you upload it on the Power BI service with your other data models, data tables. It is going to be really, really handy in building visuals down the line. And let's go ahead and build it. There are many ways to build it. You can have this build already inside your SQL server, but we will build it here in the DAX now. So we will go to the table view. From the table view, click on new table and you call this table calendar. You can call it whatever you want, but a standard practice is to call it calendar. And we use this function, calendar function, and it takes two variables. First one is going to be the start date and the second one is end date. But for the start date, we need to give a date in the past. So you can give whatever date you want to give. I will use this function, date function, to give a date in 1971, 1st of January. So the date function takes three parameters or variables, whatever you call it. The first one is going to be 1971, and then you have a month, which is the first month and the first of the first month. And then you have the end date, which can be to the current date on your present day. So the function for that in the DAX is today. So we release this function and then we'll go ahead and press enter. And you have your calendar populated from the date that you have specified, which is in my case 1971, 1st of the 1971, and then until today. All right. So now you can create a year column inside this table. So for that you need to go to the new column. This creates a calculated column and you call it year. And then you use this function called year function and you give the column, the date column inside the year function to extrapolate the date from the year, extrapolate the year from the date column. So calendar date, and you have got your year here. So you can add other columns using this similar technique to this calendar table. You can have months, millennium, centuries, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's how you build your calendar column.